Air compressors are similar in many ways to small engines. Both have a piston rings, a cylinder, and valves. Just as a clean air filter is important to protect your lawnmower's engine, you must also maintain your air compressor's air filter to ensure a long pump life. The air filter removes dust, paint, or whatever else might be floating in the air before it can enter the cylinder and cause damage. Replacing your air compressor's air filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before making any repairs to your air compressor, you'll want to make sure it's unplugged and that you've drained the air out of the tanks. I'll begin by removing the old air filter from the cylinder. It just simply unscrews. And I'll install the new filter by threading it onto the cylinder.